Alright, what we're going to do today is we are going to take the Dutch oven here, and we are going to, we bought some supplies, we'll get everything all out here, and what we're going to do, the neat thing about the tiny house is we have a wood stove, so what we can do is we can always cook on it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to get all the fixings together, and we are going to make basically baked chicken and rice on the wood stove. Free heat, don't cost nothing, and it'll make for a nice supper. So anyway, stay tuned, and I'm going to start getting things ready, and we'll show you. Alright guys, here's what we're going to do. I got most of this stuff ready, and we're going to try and start putting together. We're going to put a little oil in the bottom of the crock pot. We're going to spread it all over, and that's going to help season the crock pot, number one. It's also going to help for the stuff not to stick. So, and you could use regular Wesson oil. I'm going to use olive oil. So olive oil may give it a little bit of a, not as good a taste, but it should be okay. Alright, next comes 2 cups of water. Cream of mushroom soup. And what we're going to want to do is, once we get this in here, we want to really get it stirred up, because we want it to get all mixed up. We're going to put a cream of chicken in. We're going to dilute that all down. We're going to put 1 thing of cream cheese in. And we are also going to go with our rice in there, onion, green pepper, and we are going to go with some carrots, and then our chicken on top. So, alright, that's in there. I'm going to get that all diluted. Get that all diluted down and get this other stuff cut and ready, and then we'll kick it back on here again. We'll get back to it. Alright, what we did is we put some garlic powder, and some Worcestershire sauce in there, some little soy sauce. Not a lot, but enough to just kind of give it a little more of a kick. So that's all that's left is carrots, onion, green pepper, our rice, lay the chicken on top, and it's ready to go on the stove. So as I'm cutting them up, we'll get right to it here. Hang on a minute. Well, as you can see, we put onion in it, green pepper, all of our seasonings in there, and now it's just time to put the rice in. 2 cups of rice, which I know this is probably right in the ballpark of 2 cups, so we'll go with this. This is good jasmine rice, which I like. It's pretty good stuff. So we'll put that in there, and then we're going to, it's going to cook for about an hour and a half. So we are going to throw the chicken in here. And I'm going to cut the chicken down because the chicken's pretty good size, so I'm going to cut those in half, and so they'll cook a little better. Just going to lay them on there in their side. Let that stuff all get in there and let the fat render. And by God, we are ready to go. Alright, let me rinse my hands off here. We're going to put the top on it, but I'm going to put a little oil on the top of the thing, because we're going to put some coals on here once we get going with it, maybe in the first hour. So we're going to put that cap on there. So what you can see is, there's what we've got. There was all of our stuff. We're going to put the top on it. And it is just going to go right on the wood stove, just like that. Nothing, nothing fancy. And there's our fire. This one has little legs that stick up, which I like because it's going to give a little airflow through there and it's not going to cook quickly and burn the bottom. So there you have it. We'll show you as we get going. It's gone in at 3 o'clock, be done about 4:30. Alright, so what we've done is we've gotten it cooking about 45 minutes. What we've done is we've gone into the stove, got some coals, and what's cool about the pot here is we can put coals on here, so we end up shooting the heat down onto the top of the chicken. But it's looking good. We'll show the inside here in a couple minutes, and but it's only got about probably 30-40 minutes and it should be done. Alright, there's the final product. We've got chicken and rice, some nice gravy and stuff. Let me take a taste. Oh man, that stuff is awesome. So there you have it. Chicken and rice on